Hey guys, Chad Woolsey with an Olds Woolsey Team Remax Hallmark J. I'm coming out with you 5 reasons why I believe you should be investing in real estate, or specifically investment real estate in the city of Barrie. Number 1, guys, we're talking inflation. The city of Barrie's done pretty well. If you're an investor, the average price for the last 50 years has went up about 5%. That's not taking into account the last couple of years, which has been about 10, 20, even 30%. Number 2, guys, it comes down to passive income. City of Barrie right now still does cash flow. It has some pretty good numbers. You just need to find them. Cash flow, mortgage pay down, inflation, not to mention tax savings, are some great reasons why to invest in real estate in Barrie. Number 3, getting good tenants is always tough. It can be tough. There's certainly some great ways you can do that. I have some. Just reach out. If you don't want to do it, you can certainly get property management companies for a couple $100 a month. They will look after everything and just send you a bill in the end. Number 4, finding cash flowing properties can be challenging. The average price is going up by the minute. The good news is if you can't find them, you can create them. I work with many investors creating them right now. We're creating some ourselves right now. If you're looking to get a cash flowing property or looking at some different options, reach out. Now, number 5, guys, this controls everything. What does the city want to happen? The city of Barrie has just released their official plan. It's just been approved by council. It's going to the provincial government now for approval. They're expecting the population to increase from about 150,000 to about 298,000 in the next 30 years. What does that mean? Density. There's going to be a lot more increased density. Home prices are going to continue to rise. Now, if you've been watching this, you realize this is not the city of Barrie. I'm a little bit far away right now. I'm about 6,500 miles along the Persian Gulf. I'm in a country called Qatar, in a city, Doha. I love watching international real estate. I love checking it out. I like seeing different prices. It fascinates the hell out of me. If you're fascinated with investment real estate in the city of Barrie or anywhere around the world, let's have a conversation.